This weekend we've got 3 nights in Bhac. We're doing, I think, for the kids tomorrow morning. That's getting live streamed all over the island to the schools. Maybe a liquid lunch then, and then the gig at night. Yeah, it's going to be a long night every night, I think. Yeah. From 6 o'clock to God knows when.
I'm going to scrounge some pedestrian barriers for the gig. So the only place I can think of is where I used to work. Is the boss man about? I'm needing to punch 10 pedestrian barriers. Will I just take them and take them back on Monday?
Ha gemacht kutter mag chin yachi or han sin dimmer so yanu ek Taigh agus kujoch kudmen ha homor ha sin dolvi yanu ha machi ro chin yachi agus rashkin root saking.
I don't know why I am doing it. I don't know why nobody else is doing it. I don't know. I mean, the hall, they've had gigs in the past, but I don't think they've had power. They've had a gig where they've needed as much power as this.
No, he seems to know what he's doing, so we'll just leave him to it. Think nothing. If I get electrocuted, we'll know who to blame.
Had enough years with carting the band gear about and so.
Oh, don't tell me about carting band gear about it. We don't need to do anything now. We just turn up and it's all done, no? Well, some of us do, aye.
I think he's trying to hint at what he's been doing today, yeah.
It's really wholesome. It's really nice. Like a homecoming. Like, it's hard to show everyone what they're doing when you're away. Photos and videos on social media can only do so much. But once they're here and everybody can come and see what they've been up to, the growth, how good they've gotten, how confident they've gotten, how good they sound, and the, you know, one-of-a-kind show that they put on.
Wash, hey! Boy, hey! Over. Yeah, yep, washing machine, sugar lumps.
Support, we've got Donny Disco supporting us tomorrow night and Saturday.
A wee bit nervous, but I'm basically going to be playing a bit of mix of country and rock and just a whole pile of cover songs and just see how it goes.
Ha má bhí fécinn na bailí an Taigh, ha mé a fécinn bhana seo ag an Taigh chuideach, agus hat an hónaí chuid gig aglah má agus sé fíor joy han gonna chola duine agus ha bítar spórs again.
Travelled from Aberdeen, came yesterday, we're here last night and we're excited about tonight. So love them because they're inclusive, they're real and they're accessible. So good guys.
Welcome to Peat Diesel's documentary with Auntie Ella.
Just there's such a real feel-good factor, and I think I don't think they realise how much difference they make to people's lives. They just make everyone so happy, and they're just so talented bunch of guys.
I'm sure wel boydie as een jeppie. Agus hasin a dul an ardúlar. Fichas minach.
I'm 3 pairs, right? So I managed to win a ticket in the bar today to come back tonight, right? So it's been quite good, all right?
I'm from Cookstown, County Tyrone in Ireland, and I've been to loads of Peat Diesel concerts, and we're seeing them again in Helensburgh, and I know that it's just going to be a brilliant night.
Nothing but absolutely zero seriousness whatsoever. Just nonsense. That's the only reason we came here tonight. I've even brought my head torch, look. I'm a magician.
Boydie, pal. Oh, you're some man. You chilling? Yeah, just start to wake up.
10 minutes?
Yeah, 5, but just start to wake up. Just chill. Oh, nice one.
So
music and everything. This is what I was waiting for. All I wanted to see was just to go on a Peat Diesel gig, and all of the songs and everything were just fantastic. And they do a lot of cracks sometimes, but as long as they didn't speak for long, just carry on with the songs anyway, so.
I've never seen them in the television. I've now been here, done it, and I've got the T-shirt.
We travelled 700 miles from Cambridgeshire to come and see these guys, and it was worth every single mile. 100%. Best ever. Up the P&D.